90% of people I meet on YouTube are always scrambling for subscribers, scrambling a whole lot for subscribers. They will be like, how can I get subscribers? How can I get subscribers so that I will be monetized? But the whole thing is you have to balance two things, which is getting subscribers and then your watch hours. The criteria is either you get your 4,000 watch hour and then your 1,000 subscribers, or you have your 1,000 subscribers and your 10 million short views before you can monetize on YouTube, fully monetized on YouTube. But when you are looking for subscribers alone, what about the watch hour? The watch hour is over there smiling at you. When you're done scrambling for subscribers, you will definitely come over to look for me at the end. So in today's video, I want to show you a way you can get subscribers fast, which is by just going live on YouTube. Going live on YouTube helps you, put you on the edge of giving you watch hours and subscribers. And you also get a lot of watch hour from going live on YouTube. So I want to show you the best way of going live on YouTube. If you are a newbie, if you are just a starter on YouTube, or you've been going live but you don't know the rules. So this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on YouTube. I'm going to tell you the rules and regulations, what you need to do and what you need not to do when you are live on YouTube, especially what you need not to do when you are live on YouTube. Extremely prohibited. So let's get started.
Now open your YouTube application, the normal YouTube application. You click on the plus sign. It's going to take you to where you can go live. So you see video, short, live, post. So you click on live. When you click on live, it will load and then it will show you this interface where it will show you your face. So if you check the bar at the right hand side, you will see where you can flip the screen. You will see the mic option next. You will see the video option and you will see the screen orientation option. So this screen orientation option, make sure it's on portrait. Let it not be on landscape. It's on landscape now. Don't let it be on landscape. Keep it on portrait. Why I say you should keep it on portrait is portrait goes under short feed, and short feeds have views more than the landscape, which is the long form video. So it will go under the short feed. Then after this, you will see the pencil sign below here before the next. You click on the pencil sign. It will take you to where you are going to add your title, add your thumbnail. So to add your thumbnail to your live stream, you can go, you see the big box on top that has my face on a little circle. You click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to where you see here down below, take thumbnail or upload thumbnail. So if you click on upload thumbnail, if you had a picture already you want to use, you can go ahead and choose any picture. If you don't want to use any thumbnail, you forget about it. So for me, I can choose to use this picture as my thumbnail, drag it to fit in with the size I want to. Just drag it to fit in and then I save it. It's simple. So when you are saved, it appears as your thumbnail. Then you see your title where you can put in input. You see where you can input your title here. Sorry about that. See where you can input your title, and then you click and then type on anything. You can type any title you want to type. And then the next thing is public. Please always ensure it's on public. Always choose public. So after public, you see audience. This is very important too. You choose, click on it and choose not made for kids. So your own might be it's made for kids, or but always choose not made for kids. After that, you see go live together. You don't need that for now. That is when you have a partner that you want to go live together. So the two of you appear on screen. Then you see description. If you want to add a description to your live stream, you can add a description to it. Then the next thing is location. So you can choose to add your location. For me, I'm in Nigeria. I can add Nigeria as my location. Simple. So after that, you see screencast. You don't need screencast for now. That is for another type of live stream. You see schedule for later. It's for you to schedule your live stream so that people will know that okay, at this time you are going live on YouTube. But it's better to just start your live at once. Then you go over to advanced option settings. When you click on advanced settings, it's going to show you another option which is very important while going live on YouTube. Let me allow it to load. Please just wait and but okay, just for the sake of this video, just not to waste your time. Sorry, my phone is hanging a little bit. So when you click on advanced settings, it will okay, it's about to open. Okay, it has opened. We click on advanced setting, it will show you allow chats, allow reactions. So you need to allow chat so that when you allow, people can send messages and you read the messages and reply to them. It makes the life to be very engaging. Yeah, it makes the life to be nice. Allow reactions so that people can love what you are saying. They will be clicking the love sign and the love will be popping up on your screen. It helps to push your life further, invite more people to your life. Then if you are monetized, you turn on the monetization sign. If you are not monetized, it will not appear. For me, I'm monetized, so that's why it's there. So after that, you click on go live. When you click on go live, now that means you are done with everything about the live. You are ready now to go live. So it's going to wait, we'll count 3, 2, 1, and then you're going to go live. 3, 2, it's going to click 1, yes, and then you are going live. So after going live, it's ready live interface. So on the live interface, you see where you can flip screen, mute, of your camera, retouch. The next time you see the like a pencil with 3 stars on top, if you click on it, it will make the live your face to be a bit smoother. Then you see green screen, highlight. You don't need to click on highlight. Highlight is to cut a clip of your live stream and post it as a video. Then you see the flashlight option. If the room is dark, you can use it, or you use the lighting option. But for now, we're going to use this green screen. Now the green screen, it's for your background. I know lots of you know about the green screen. It changes your background. If you don't like the background you are, or you want to display anything on your background, you can choose to use the green screen, and then it will enable your background to be on. It will make the picture to be on your background. Yeah, you know, all of us know about how the green screen works. So it will take you to your gallery. When you click on it, it takes you to your gallery. So you can choose any picture on your gallery. So I'm choosing this picture right now, and it's going to display. So this is a picture now displaying on my screen. So that's my green screen. For you, you can choose anything to be your green screen. Then when you choose your green screen, the next thing, the retouch to smoothen your face a little bit. But apart from that, what next you really going to do is the plus sign at the bottom part of the screen, which is you can choose the option for question and answer. Yeah, the starts a poll or question starts a question and answer. Now, start a poll is used for poll questions. When you say poll questions, you just ask a question. You might put in like, "Am I beautiful?" Yes, am I beautiful? Then the first one will be yes. The second one will be no. So someone will come in and be like, will choose no. Someone will come in and choose yes. So what it does, it helps to retain people on your life. Then the question and answer, you might put in a question and then put in answer. This one is not yes or no. So you might be like, what do you how do you eat your bread? So the first one will be like with milk, the second one with tea, the third one with soya. And then someone will come in. You just put in things that are kind of crazy so that to keep people entertaining. That's just it. So it helps to keep your stream busy. So someone that stumbles on your stream would see a reason to stay a bit and listen to what you're saying. And when you are live on stream, make sure you engage with people. People will come up on your stream. Yeah, people will come up and be chatting. They will be like, oh, make sure you engage with them. When you're done with the stream, you click on the cancel sign on top and you end the stream. She's automatically going to read and end the stream. So on this stream, already I have 2 subscribers. I mistakenly made it public. I would have put it to be private. So I have 2 subscribers already on this particular stream. So it's quite funny. It is going to show you a brief history of the live stream. Then when you are done, you click on done. You end the live stream. So now when you end the live stream, it's going to process on your channel. It's going to process for sometimes it might take a very long time, hours, maybe an hour, 2 hours. Sometimes it might take a day before it's done processing, depending on your network. Then when it's done, it will turn to a normal post on your channel. So and then you make it public. When you turn to a normal post, it will be on private. You always go ahead to be checking on it. When it's done, you make it public. If it's private, it's not going to count for watch hours. It's not going to count. Any video that is private, the watch hour will be invisible. So you have to make it public so that the watch hour you have from that video will now be visible and YouTube will count it for you. Even if after they counted it for you and you now go ahead to make it private again, they will delete it out from your watch hour. So you have to be guided. So that's it for going live on YouTube.
Now, you've now seen how to go live on YouTube, the best way to go live on YouTube as a starter on YouTube, what you need to go before you go live on YouTube, other features that you have while you are live on YouTube. Okay, now let's now get into what the do's and don'ts of live streaming. Okay, let me start with playing music in the background. While live on YouTube, you don't play any music in the background, except it's your own personal music. Even when it's your own personal music, if you know you've uploaded that music already in another channel, don't use it. It's still a copyright because another channel has that music already. So you don't need to use it anymore. Number two, don't call your account number when you are live on YouTube. Stop calling your account number when you are live on YouTube. Stop putting up your phone numbers when you are live on YouTube. It's prohibited by YouTube. It's a scam. It's called scamming on YouTube. Don't request for money excessively when you are live on YouTube. Know the words you use. Know how you go about it, except you'll be tagged as scammer and you might lose your channel. Yes, in this other aspect, you might lose your channel. You might get a strike or you might lose your channel. Number three, YouTube says while going live, don't allow kids to be on live, although people still bring in kids on their live, but they say for security purposes. So it's not made for kids, so don't really bring it kids into your life. Then another thing you need to do is while you're alive, you meet a whole lot of people on live. People that will say a whole lot of things to you, they will get you angry. Know what you say, know the reply you're giving to them. They might choose to report the live. If they should report the live, honestly, you stand the chance of getting a strike from YouTube if people choose to report your live. So you have to be polite when you are live. Yeah, you have to be very polite with people, your viewers, when you are live. Be polite with your audience. Be nice to them. You are free to tell them to subscribe to you. You are free to tell them to like your live. It's okay by YouTube. So with this, you know everything about going live on YouTube. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you've got a lot of value from this video, like and then drop a comment. Let's chat in the comment section and let's go together. See you in my next video and bye for now.